So our last question comes from Jordan W. Jordan says, "Hey guys, my name is Jordan. I love the work that you all do. I'm currently 25 years old and I work for Amazon as an engineer. I make $120,000 a year. I have $40,000 invested into ETFs, single stocks, REITs, and more. And I also have $30,000 in a high yield savings account for my emergency fund. I'm wondering what I should do with my Amazon restricted stock units that will be awarded to me over time. I'm torn between selling them as soon as I get them and offloading that money into VOO straight away, or being a little bit more risky and holding on to them to see if they can grow a little bit more. I know that I'm young and I can afford to take on the risk, but I also know that putting all of your eggs in one basket is not a good idea either. What are your thoughts? Robert, you want to take this one?
Sure, I'll start this one off. I love it. You're in a great situation. I think Austin and I will definitely agree 100% that in this situation, I wouldn't sell it all. I would take the risk. I would maybe do 50% cash out, 50% hold, and ride the Amazon wave for the future. That's what I would do in your position. You're making great money. You're off to a really good start. At 25 years old, this is an amazing situation for you to build a lot of wealth. Just make sure you don't live beyond your means, keep your expenses low, and really stockpile money and this stock money as well. Because if you do the work and really set yourself up for the next 5 or 10 years, you will be mega wealthy later on in life. So that's what I would do. I would definitely sell some, get it into the VOOs of the world, the QQQs, keep the rest and take the risk because you can do it at your age.
I agree 100%. I would sell half of them and park that money in the S&P, and then I'd keep the other half and ride the wave. I think it's very obvious that Amazon's going to continue to be a wonderful multi-trillion-dollar company over the coming years. If it's with AWS, if it's with robotics, if it's with whatever else Amazon's doing, Andy Jassy's got it figured out, and he's going to keep that ship rocking up and to the right, in my humble opinion. So Jordan, I would do exactly that. Take some risk, have some fun. You're 25, and just round of applause for this guy making $120,000 a year at 25, working at Amazon as an engineer. You know, this goes back to our previous question with Jay, who's thinking about this college tuition and trying to go from a community college to a university. What do I study? You know, all that stuff. Jordan studied engineering, and now he's 25, making $120,000 a year. That is unbelievable. And he's got $40,000 invested, $30,000 saved. He's got $70,000 set aside, rocking and rolling for him, working for him in a correct manner because of this awesome income and these awesome habits that he has built since graduation. So Jordan, round of applause for you, my friend. What an inspiring situation to be in for not just other people who are engineers, but also people who are thinking about what to study in college. What does an engineering degree turn into for me? Things of that nature. So Jordan, you're crushing it. Congratulations and keep up the good work.